Alrighty, so I recently picked up one of these Makita 40-volt mowers. I demoed one a couple of years ago and really liked it, so I've got the smaller of the two, the 480mm one here, just because I like the slightly faster blade speed and I like it just to be a bit smaller. And I've got the blower on a redemption, so that came today, and I just ran out and got the whippy. So I've got a little kit now of this 40-volt gear, which I thought would be cool to do a quick unboxing with you whilst it's all brand new. So let's see what we've got in the blower box. A couple of different nozzles. The actual blower itself, very cool. I used one of these as well. When I had the demo mower about 1.5 to 2 years ago, I had the blower as well, and I really rate it. It's great. Another sort of flat nozzle. And we've also got another nozzle. And then the strap and some instructions. So let's move those aside. Let's get the main nozzle, which I assume is this one, onto the blower. You've got to line up those, there you go, line up that arrow. See that arrow there? And then we'll put it in, twist it. Boom, done. Okay, so you've also got this nozzle here, which is if you want to put that on and then put one of the end bits on, if you want it a bit longer, or if you want the flat one on. I personally think that's quite a good length. Let's get a battery in, see how she goes. Turn it on, and then you've got your trigger, and then if you put it a little bit extra, it sort of clicks and you've got the turbo. And this is your cruise control. Nice. Very cool. Alright, let's have a look at the whippy. As I said, I just got that as well, so I've got the full kit now. Let's move these out the way. Get this bad boy unthingied. Nice, so you got instructions. Your guard. Oh yeah, it's got, is it quite a big guard? Oh, maybe that's not too bad. What have we got in here? D-handle. Let's just get all that out of there. So in that bag we've got some tools, speed feed style line. That looks like it's equivalent to like a speed feed 400. Nice. Got a plastic line. Interesting. That's cool. Strap, handle, and that's it. Cool. There it is. Nice. Pretty sure this was the one I had before. Put that out of the way. Yeah, so you got your controls on here, a little reverse, different settings. Oh yeah, so for that plastic one there, it's like a super heavy duty one for getting through thick stuff. You can chuck it in number 3. That'll just, it's obviously full speed. Cool. Alright, let's fit some things. Let's put the normal head on for now. Oh, got a load of dirt in it already. Nice work, Kai. Back on there. Alright, let's screw him up. Where does it go? That way? No, I was doing it right that way. Nice. Have I got a thing thin enough? Sweet. There you go. So the screws are in there for the guard. Always like to run a guard on mine just because it just saves your shins and your eyes a little bit more. Although Oh no, that's not too bad. I thought that was going to be a bit big, but that's fine. Just get them tightened up. And this has got a near 17-inch cut. It was like 430 mils, which is 17 inches roughly. So that's a good size. Yeah, I like that. So it is quite a big guard, but they've done it in quite a good way that you can still see where you're going, you know, but it is quite big. Might be inclined to sort of trim that down slightly, but we'll leave it like that for now. Let's get the D handle on there, chuck a battery in, see what it goes like. So the D handle is just, that's just a plastic one, nothing fancy there. Shame we don't get a nice rubberized one. That goes in between. That's probably where you'd want it, isn't it? Somewhere there. Yeah. What's this for? Oh, maybe it actually goes. Oh, it does. It goes on there, I think. It's good that they put that little bit of rubber there for the handle to go on. It's kind of, I've not seen that before. She's ready to go, I think. What was that shaking around there? Yeah, sweet, that feels good. Alright, where's the battery? Let's get the battery out of the blower. Chuck it in there. On. 1, 2, 3. Does it remember your settings when we turn it off? Turn it on? It does. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Let's go speed 2, I reckon. Yeah, that feels good. Very cool. Nice easy handle. Rubber grip there to hold it with. This kind of reverse thing, so you can... So if you get tangled up in loads of long grass, you hit that. It goes the other way until you let go. It's good balance, nice balance. That's the, what we've got in there, the 5 amp hour battery. So I like to edge. Oh, it's going to take a bit of getting used to edge with that for some reason. Nice. Nice. Right, let's flick that on. Sweet.